Winter is coming, and with it comes potential problems for your elevator equipment if not appropriately maintained. Pincus Elevator is here to keep your equipment running smoothly while cutting down on operating costs. Rock salt and ice from shoes can jam the sills and prevent door operation, so be sure to keep these areas clean or take measures to prevent visitors from bringing them in. When you run the heat in your building, the elevator shaft acts as a chimney and forces warm air through the hoisting doors and up the shaft. If this causes problems, we can adjust the door spring pressure to reduce this effect. Colder temperatures can take a toll on hydraulic elevators, causing hydraulic oil viscosity changes, which leads to speed and leveling problems. If your room isn't heated, tank heaters are an excellent way to prevent this by minimizing the effect of low oil temperatures. You will typically see this in the morning, after periods of minimal elevator use. For traction elevators, the cold temperatures can also cause electronics issues. Even when properly maintained, problems can still happen, and when they do, Pincus Elevator is here to help. Whether it's a repair or an upgrade you're looking for, we have the experience and knowledge to keep your equipment running and your visitors safe and comfortable. Give us a call at 610-738-4350 or contact a member of our team.